Number 23. The sum of three consecutive integers is 480. Find the integers. Now, a key word there is consecutive integers. Consecutive is a key word, because that means you're going to have 1, 2, 3, or 4, 5, 6, or 2, 3, 4, or 17, 18, 19, or 99, 100, 101. Consecutive are numbers right after each other. Those are like pages in a book. After page 1 comes page 2, so those are consecutive pages. Alright? Now what if the numbers were 4, 5, and 6? What's the relationship between 4 and 5? What do you do with 4 to get 5? If you want to turn the page from page 4 to page 5, how many pages are you turning? You're turning one page, aren't you? So if x is my first number here, then I've got to be one bigger than that to go to my second integer. Okay? Alright? One bigger than that. How do you say one bigger than x? X plus 1 is the second one, isn't it? Now the one after that, if you went to 1 and 2, after 2 comes 3. How do you get from 1 to 3? Or what do you do with the number 1 to get the third number, 3? Or if the numbers were 99, 100, and 101, how do you get from 99 up to 101? Can you see you're 2 bigger than that? So the third integer is going to be 2 bigger than the first integer. How do you say 2 bigger than the first integer, which is x? How do you say 2 bigger than x? So if my first integer is 1, my second integer is 1 bigger than that, which is x plus 1. And the third integer is 1 bigger than the second, which is x plus 1 plus 1, which is x plus 2. Anyway, you got these. This is a classic problem, and you're going to run into this a lot. This is not the last course you're going to see this in. They say the sum of the three integers. Well, my first integer and my second integer and my third integer, when I add them together, I'm going to get 480. And we said let the first integer be what? X. The second integer we said was what? X plus 1. And the third integer I'm going to add is going to be what? X plus 2. When I add the first, second, third, what do I get? 480. So you have x plus x plus x. Now you have x plus 1 plus x plus 2, but eventually what you're going to say is x plus x plus x. So how many x's are there? There are 3 x's. And what do you do with the 1 and 2? You add them together to get what? 3. So you have 3 x's plus 3 equals 480. Alright, so if you subtract 3 from both sides of the equation, you're going to get 3x is 480 minus 3 is 477. We can divide both sides of the equation by 3. That's going to give you x equals 477 divided by 3, which is 159. Now if x is 159, what's x plus 1? X plus 1 is 159 plus 1, which is 160. That's my second integer. If the first integer is 159, the second integer is 160. And if you take 159 plus 2 now, you get your third integer. What's 159 plus 2? 161. So my three integers are 159, 160, and 161. And when you add those together, you're going to get a sum of 480.